Welcome back everyone. So here we are going to deal with the predefined layers in DraftSight. So how they gonna work? If I switch to home tab, I can directly access all the types of layers here. The thing is, I just wanted to assign the predefined layers for these particular layers. So I'll go to manage, and in the mechanical I have the settings. I'll go with layers. And the DraftSight entities, you can choose entities which you want to change. For the center line, you can change the layer which you want from these prescribed layers which we have assigned over there. By using this, you can even define the lines, hidden lines, how should be and which standard should be taken as a reference. So like this, you can customize your predefined layer. You can enable it, you can use it, and all the predefined layer will be assigned directly to the particular layers which you want to assign. So I hope this will help a lot. Thank you for watching.